Hi, subscribe my channel and like and share. Today discussion topic is email and password validation with Regex special in automation anywhere. So we are using Excel. So Excel data for use action command Excel. Open command. Then desktop file, browse, choose file path. My path is desktop Akil AA mail validation Excel file. Then read and write mode. The session name is local session default. Then get all data. So Excel file get multiple cell will all rows. Session name is default. Assign value to the variable. Create variable. So my variable is Excel sheet data will be created. Then what we'll be using? Open Excel. So a mail validation. Open in Excel file. Mail password. B it is the mail validation. Password validation. Using a set cell because of that columns is empty, Excel columns is empty, so heading the value header names will be required. So Excel set cell, set cell command using specific cell B1. So A1 is mail, B1 is empty, B1 for cell value is mail validation. Session name is default. That's another set cell, so specific cell D1, cell value is password validation. Session name is default. So then what will be using? Loop, loop, loop. P for each row in a table. Table variable is Excel sheet data. Record is will be created as table row record is created. Assign table row. So if condition will be using. What condition will be using? Loop. Number condition will be using. Number condition for using. So created variable created, number variable created. So create variable string to number, we counter, default value is 1. Create if source value is we counter, dollar we counter greater than 1 because of 1 is the heading name. So it is all required, so not looping. string condition will be using is replace, because of source string is find string is match is table row by index is 0. Yes, this is the male find string. So male validations will be required. So external male and password validation male condition. Male must should be a one at the rate symbol. Male before at the rate symbol. Alphabet uppercase lowercase symbols like this is hash dollar percentage and star dot underline digits will be required. Example mail format is automation hash approval underline rpa at the rate of gmail.com. This rpm13 at the rate of yahoo.com, etc. So many mails are will be required. The domain what mail requirement is it, that find string condition will be required. Find string matches the A to Z alphabets lowercase is required, A to capital A to Z small case is required, 0 to 9 digits are required. So any special characters will be required, dot will be backslash dash and at the rate plus will be at the rate bracket open bracket close small A to Z and capital A to Z slash dot and plus match case regular expression output variable assigned to mail expression mail expression. So one mail is completed, then otherwise password. So choose string for and replace command. So mail is completed, password is required. So replace command. Password stores in table row index 2 because 0 is the mail, after is empty, otherwise after password is there. Mail after is empty, after match cases regular expression. Password condition. Password must should be range will be 8 letters, minimum 8 letters and above. At least one uppercase, at least one lowercase, and at least one digit and one special character is required. So automation unifier for regular expression examples. This is this digits and starting end of the lines, word spaces. So regular expressions password required. Minimum length is what we'll be using regular expression dot bracket open 8 comma bracket close. Uppercase for this is using, lowercase for this is using, digit for this is, these commands special character for this using. This all are required. Only at least one, minimum one will be choose. This is all using expressions. So password is must and should be one lowercase. At least one lowercase is there. At least one uppercase is there. At least one digit also is there. One special character also is there. Maximum length is password is there. What? 8 or more. So minimum length is 8. Dot is copies is paste. This all are copy and paste the find string place. Send single dollar for using automation for double dollar. Password expression assign. What command? If command message box, then what? Dollar of mail expression. Message box what will be using? If what will be stored in variable for it shows message box. If correct match it shows empty. Using if condition, string condition will be using the mail expression equal to empty. Then Excel data set cell. Specific cell for using because of set cell B. Mail validation B. Dollar of V counter. V counter is a number, so it requires string. Got it? So dot to string convert to the string number to convert. Cell value is valid. After using else condition. Copy SSL and paste the else for. So counter is there invalid. If email expression is empty, is valid, otherwise invalid. So using another mail expression is completed. So password expression is there. So using if condition, string condition will be using string dollar of password expression equal to empty. Then set cell Excel for set cell using Excel. Set cell for what will be using specific cell. Set cell is d comma d row dollar of v counter. Counter is a number, so convert to the string dot to string. Cell value is valid. Else command using after else Excel for set cell using specific cell d v counter. Counter is a number, so convert to the string. Cell value is invalid. Then password expression is equal to empty, then valid, else is the invalid. So this loop is looping. Number counter variable increment. So using the increment command, if greater than 1, increment counter variable increment value is 1. So assign to the v counter. Then run, what will be happen? Bot running, Excel open, headings is enter, but its error is there. So close that app. Error number line, 8 line. String place expression. This line for error is there. This find string is error. So my previous for choose the condition, compare. So matching, but some error is there, extra word is there. So this is all the copy and paste to the notepad, compare what will, where is the error is there. So all are same. This extra special characters for question mark is there. Question mark is the invalid character. So remove the question mark. So then copy that and paste to the find string. After run, show what happened. Bot running. Excel is opening. Heading enter. So it's empty. So valid. Empty also valid. Is invalid. After last for you choose what happened in an Excel data. Is a valid. So is invalid. This is valid. This is invalid. This is invalid because of capital is not requirement. So invalid is invalid. It is valid. This is invalid. Then length is password length is what? Compressor must and should 8 letters and above. Please subscribe.